In this video, I'll guide you through how to disable auto updates on Steam. If you'd rather decide when your games update instead of letting Steam download updates automatically, this tutorial will show you where to find the necessary settings. Whether you're trying to save bandwidth, avoid unexpected downloads, or simply want more control over your game library, this process is quick and easy to follow. To begin, open the Steam application on your computer. You can launch it from your desktop, Start menu, or Applications folder, depending on your operating system. Before continuing, make sure you're connected to the internet, since Steam needs to connect to its servers before you can access your account and change your settings. Once Steam is opened, click the Login button if you're not already signed in. Enter your account name and password, then click Sign In to access your account. Be sure your login details are entered correctly to avoid any delays. After a successful login, you'll arrive at your Steam homepage, where all of your games and account options are available. From the Steam homepage, look toward the upper left corner of the window and click the Steam menu. This will open a drop-down list containing several options related to your account and application settings. From this menu, select Settings. A new window will appear, giving you access to a variety of Steam preferences that you can customize. Inside the Settings window, locate and click on the Downloads section in the menu on the left. This area contains several options that control how Steam manages downloads, including download limits, bandwidth settings, and update preferences. Take a moment to look through the available options so you're familiar with where these settings are located. Within the Download section, find the setting related to scheduling automatic updates. This option determines whether Steam automatically downloads updates for your installed games. To disable automatic updates, turn off the Schedule Auto Updates option. Once disabled, Steam will no longer automatically download game updates according to the scheduled setting, allowing you to update your games manually whenever it's most convenient for you. This can be especially useful if you have limited internet bandwidth, prefer to update games before playing them, or simply don't want background downloads interrupting your connection. It also gives you greater control over when updates are installed, helping you better manage storage space and network usage. If you ever decide you'd like automatic updates again, simply return to the same download section and re-enable the Schedule Auto Updates option. The change takes only a few moments and can be adjusted whenever your preferences change. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully learned how to disable auto updates on Steam. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helped you take more control over your Steam downloads. I'll see you in the next tutorial.